Oh, shoot.
Shot right over the top of him, damn it. And then I shot again, 78, and had one vein, one vein came off, landed about 10 feet in front of me, and the other one was laying off right next to the arrow. But I gotta find this arrow.
So, I mean, I saw you go around that side, and then you came up over the top?
Yeah, and I called him back in.
Jeez.
From cow calls.
And
He was a 6x6. Probably 310, 320 maybe. I don't know. Not good. I didn't care. He was good enough for me. Part of it though. And then he was got back up here, and I'm looking for him because I thought he was grunting in these trees here. And then he was out there in the open, and then we're facing each other making eye contact, so he starts to walk away, and he comes up and he starts turning down. So I ranged him at 72 and wound it up to 78 because I thought, by the time 3-4 bull steps make some yards. Anyways, that vein came flying off, so I didn't even see where my arrow went.
On the first shot or second shot?
Second shot. Like you can see, this thing's barely lit up. The other one I seen fine, which blows my mind. I can't find it right now. I mean, the other one was bright as crap. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know why those came up. Maybe I put it on upside down. A lot of stuff going, a lot of excitement.
That's exciting though. You had to make coming in.
I think I peed a little.
And then you probably couldn't see, but there's 3 other bulls on that ridge.
No, I seen them.
Were they the same ones?
The same ones that went across.
Okay.
Those are all those 5 points. Yeah, this is definitely the biggest bull of the morning. Is Dad still up there spotting?
Yeah. He doesn't know you got a shot. I don't know if you want to tell him.
Oh, he can't hear me from here anyways.
Okay.
Radios are crap. Might have been right here his head was in.
Yeah, no hit.
Well, that's cool. He's got a shot. 2 shots.
2 shots.
Damn it, man.
Dang.
I have had hell with these fletchings this year. I don't think I had one practice session where I didn't at least start peeling.
We'll be coming up here in a few.
That's exciting.
Yeah. You got some action.
Should be tracking him right now, man. Up here excited. Yeah, he was probably 45 yards the second shot.
Wow.
Or the first shot, I mean.
Okay.
Felt like I could see him coming through. I heard him. Oh, I saw the scan. I heard him. He responded to one of your guys' bugles, I'm pretty sure. And, I knew he was still there. Got around and started cow calling. You guys didn't hear any of that?
No.
I thought I heard a little bit, but I wasn't sure if it was right or good. So he almost instantly responded to that. So tried to get down that rock face.
Yeah.
Somewhere where I can shoot, you know, and got set up to where like, I knew he was close. I could hear him in there.
So he was in the trees?
Yeah. And holy crap, it's hot.
Yeah, it's super hot.
Anyway, so I seen him coming through, and I ranged the trees right where he's coming out. It was like 59.8 yards. So I'm like, well, he's going to stop right at those trees. Which he did, but he was facing me directly.
Mm.
So I just wait. And he stood there for a long time. I didn't want to try cow calling
Right.
again. And then he came up a little closer, and I didn't think to. I definitely wasn't going to range him, but you know, I could have paid better attention to what I was doing. Shot 50, shot 40, even 40 would have smoked him. But
Wow.
then, yeah, shot right over his back.
Dang.
And he took off, and I hit him with the cow call again. He bugled back. I'm like, oh, I might have another chance. So I get up, and I'm trying to look through the trees, because I figured, you know, it sounded like he was right there in the trees.
Right.
Well, and then I noticed his antlers move over here out in the open, and we're staring at each other. Great. So he starts walking away, and I'm ranging him. I hit him at 72, and then he started going sideways, so I rolled it up to 78, because I thought, you know, by the time I get drawn back and ready to shoot, he'll take a few steps. And I shot, and like, I don't think I turned this arrow off. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Couldn't see that thing. Didn't notice it flying anyways. Mainly because a fletching came off and landed about 10 feet from me.
Oh no.
And then the other fletching was laying right next to the arrow. And the arrow landed, you know, within 5 yards of that, where the elk was standing when I shot. And he blew out of there. He ain't
Right.
come back.
Right.
I don't think so. But he's a 6-point, you know.
You win the 5x6?
No, he's probably 310, maybe 320. But
Heck yeah. Shoot.
especially when they're that close, it's hard not to.
Yeah. Right.
So it was exciting.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know. That was one shot.
Oh, gee. I think it's too tall. There we go. Right, so he's on the opposite hillside there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's him.
A little bit lighter.
Maybe you're just a little bit stronger.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go hunt hunt deer on another mountain range, and leave these guys to hopefully get an elk. If they get one, I'll come back.
Okay.
But I have tonight and tomorrow morning to fill my tag for my last chance, so I'm gonna go hunt deer. It was good.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Sorry you're not packing meat right now.
It's okay. It was fun.
You got your trekking poles over here?
Yeah.
Can I get it? Raise your bow on over there.
Yeah. I will. It was a good spot, good hunt. Hopefully I'll come back up tonight. So, all right. Catch you guys later.
See ya.
Later.
You forgot your camera.